Hello and welcome to day 5, Friday, May 14th. Let's see what you have to do for today. Remember, it is Friday. That means it's an async day. We will not meet on Zoom as a class, but I do have office hours and I will be able to help you with your essay if you have any questions or if you have any questions about anything. All right. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have one activity, and the activity is to read this article, performance evaluations. And then you are going to answer the question, how can a supervisor use a performance appraisal? How can a worker use a performance? How can a worker use that review? Okay. So you're looking for how it can be used and you'll just type your paragraph here. And that's it. If you have not read all of your articles for your essay, please do so because we are moving pretty quickly. So please remember your topic and make sure you read all 3 articles for your topic. And remember to use this format and write it down. Okay, use this format to write it down. If you have any questions, I'm available um, Friday morning from 10 to 11. And that's it for today. Good luck.